Hello everyone, today I would like to share my opinion about whether humans should live on other planets. In my opinion, humans should live on other planets in the future. I have two reasons to support my opinion. First, living on other planets can be useful if Earth becomes overcrowded. The population is growing and people might need more space and research in the future. Other planets could become a new place for humans to live. Second, living on other planets can help citizens develop new technology. Space exploration can teach us many things about the universe, planets, and life outside Earth. It can also improve technology that may be useful for people on Earth. One objective that I did not successfully learn was speaking confidently in English. I think it was not learned well because I am still nervous when I speak in English in front of other people. Sometimes I also forget vocabulary or make mistakes in grammar. However, I will practice more by speaking English every day. In conclusion, I believe humans should live on other planets in the future because it can provide a new place to live and help us learn more about space. Thank you for listening.